Oy, hello, we're the Comedy Crew. Kung nakikita nyo, yan yung Makati Avenue, tapos Kalayaan. Ito ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Berjaya Hotel, kung saan gagawin namin ang aming English set at 7 p.m. at 10 p.m. naman Tagalog set. February 16 yan. It's a Friday. We'll start at 7 p.m. for the English set. Kasama natin dyan si Ima Dumagay na galing sa Dubai. Tara, pasok tayo. Ito ang Berjaya. Ito yung po ating reception. Ito po si Lady. Siya po isang babae kasi lady. At siya naman po si gentleman. Lady and gentleman. Again, lock your heart out. February 16, 7 p.m. English set yan. Level 3. Price is 1,199. May isang drink yan sa may mga pika-pika. Saya niyan. So, see you there, ha? Pagkatapos nun, akyat tayo sa 27th floor para naman sa DAS at 27. Tagalog set naman yan. 10 p.m. 800 pesos ang entrance. Kaya naman back-to-back yan. Kung gusto nyo ng English, kung gusto nyo ng Tagalog, kung gusto nyo parehas na English at Tagalog, manood kayo, February 16. Akyat na tayo sa level 3. Okay. Bawal ang durian, marang, and mangosteen. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko maintindihan yung mangosteen, no? Pero naiintindihan. Yung nakaka-stain. Kasi mango stain. Yung mango stain. Got it! Got it, lady! We are the Comedy Crew at nandito kami sa DAS at 27 where we're going to perform weekly. But ang importante, yung una namin performance is on February 16, 10 p.m. Tagalog set yan with the Comedy Crew. So, see you, ha? Kami ang The Comedy Crew!